Good morning, good morning. This is Daryl Worthy with Excellence Janitorial Services and Carpet Cleaning in Bakersfield. All right, cleaning this light colored carpet. Man, it's coming out great. If you look over here, this area has been cleaned. This area over here in front of the bed has been cleaned. The carpet needs to be stretched. That's what the ripples are in the carpet. And we're coming out. Just lifting that dirt right out. Dry and pass. Well, this wand has a lot of suction. And it's drying the carpet really good too. Alright. Over this room, pick this pin up off the floor here. Missed that one. All right, let's get that CD way back there. Okay, everything off the floor. I missed that when I vacuumed, but I got it now. Okay, here we go. Coming up real nice.